shows the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, please we will help Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.